Clean the milk container each time you prepare milk. Remove the lid. Remove the milk spout and intake tube. Turn the froth adjustment dial to the insert position and pull it off upwards. Wash all the components thoroughly with hot water and mild washing up liquid. All components are dishwasher safe, placing them in the top basket of the dishwasher. Make sure there are no milk residues in the hollow and groove under the dial. If necessary, scrape the groove with a toothpick. Rinse the inside of the froth adjustment dial under running water. Check that the intake tube and spout are not clogged with milk residues. Replace the dial, lining up the arrow with the word Insert, the spout and the milk intake tube. Place the lid back on the milk container.